Hello grade 1. In this video we're going to learn about sound. So what is sound? Sound is a kind of energy you can hear. It's a kind of energy you can hear. We can hear many sounds around us, like a cat sound, a bird sound, and a doorbell sound. So we can hear many different sounds around us all the time. Now, how the sound is made? How the sound is made? The sound is made when an object vibrates. It is made when an object vibrates. How the sound is made? When an object vibrates. How the sound is made? When an object vibrates. So what do I mean by vibrates? I want you to put your hand on your throat, as in the picture, and say, When you put your hand on your throat and you speak or you say, you will feel like shaking. This shaking is the vibrations. So you're feeling the vibrations when you speak. What does vibrate mean? Vibrate means move back and forth quickly. Move back and forth quickly. Let's see how. Now this ruler is making a sound because it is vibrating. It is vibrating. It is like shaking. It's moving back and forth very quickly. Let's see. So this is vibrations. See? Move back and forth quickly. So the ruler is making a sound because it is vibrating. It is vibrating. Another example is the drum. When we hit the drum, we hear sound. See what happens to the drum when we hit it? It is vibrating to make the sound. It is vibrating. So we're looking at the vibrations right now. Another one. It's the guitar. See, when we pluck the string vibrates too. It's moving back and forth quickly to make the sound. Now the sound vibrations can make also other objects vibrate. Sound vibrations can make other objects vibrate. Let's see how.
To start the experiment, you are going to begin with an empty bowl. Then you're going to take some saran wrap and you're going to tear off a piece so it's big enough to cover the top of the bowl. You're going to take the saran wrap and you're going to place it on top of the bowl. You're going to make sure the saran wrap is very tight on the bowl. The most important thing with the saran wrap is that you get it very tight across the top of the bowl. So take your time when you're positioning it. Once you have it tight, you're ready to move on to the next step. This is where you're going to take some uncooked rice and you're going to pour about a teaspoonful on the top of the saran wrap. Once the rice is on the saran wrap, you're going to take a metal tin. You can use a cookie sheet, or in my case, it's an 8x11 pan, and you're going to position it close to the bowl. The important thing is that you're holding it in the air, and that again, that it's very close to the bowl itself. Now, I'm going to give my son a metal spoon, and what he's going to do is he's going to hit the metal plate, metal tin, and we are going to hear the sound, and we're also going to see something happen.
So you can see here, the rice is vibrating. Why? Because the sound vibrations make other objects vibrate. Let's see another one. In this one, you can see that the rice was also vibrating because of the sound. So the sound vibrations also, they made the rice vibrate. Here is another picture.
Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Hoopla Kids Lab, making science super fun and super simple. Today we're going to show you how to see sound. Now this is a really simple experiment and one that you can do with everyday objects around the house. What you're going to need is some cling film, hundreds and thousands, scissors, and a bowl and plate. What you need to do is get a good length of cling film and stretch it over the top of the bowl. What you're trying to do is make a sort of drum, where the cling film is the skin of the drum. And of course, just like a drum, you need to make sure that the surface of the cling film is stretched nice and tightly across the top of the bowl. When you've done that, get your hundreds and thousands, make a small indent with the tip of a finger, and sprinkle them onto the top of the cling film. And then if you try to talk directly into the cling film, you'll find that the vibrations from your voice make the hundreds and thousands dance around by themselves. If you think it's just my breath making them move, look what happens when I hum. See?
So as you saw here, the sprinkles, they were vibrating because of the man's sound. His sound has vibrations, so those vibrations made the sprinkles to vibrate too. So they are vibrating because of the sound. So this is our lesson for today. If you have any question, please ask me, and study well.